What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Like Jay and like Slayer, back again to another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install app value on your iOS device. So let me just go ahead and activate my Wi-Fi right here. So you'll be able to install app value on your iOS device and be able to use it without any problem, and you'll be able also to install the application, and you'll be able to install your tweet application using this app value method. And as you can see right here, I've downloaded Spotify plus plus and I've downloaded it using the app value method. So the first thing we're going to have to start with, I'm going first to delete app value. I'm going to delete it, okay, right there, and I'm going to deactivate the certificate, general, profile and device, app value. I'm going to remove the certificate right here. So let me just go ahead and type in my password. So I remove the certificate right here. So the first thing you're going to have to do, you are going to go to your email and type in app. Go ahead and type in app/value.pip, and you'll be able to install the app value store, the one we just talked about right now. So right now it's taking a little bit a while for it to install. So here's one of the ads. Just go ahead and close it. It's going to prompt this page right here. So all you have to do is literally close it and go back, close the ad and click on install. It's going again to bring another ad like here. So all you have to do is literally click on near, close the ads, go back and click on install again. After I click on install, it's going to start installing, right? As you can see right here on the screen, it will start installing, but just depending on your internet connection, it's going to give you a prompt of installing app value and a push notification that you have to install it or add it to your profile, and go check the profile into your settings, and from your settings you'll be able to install and activate the profile from app value. So as you can see, it has changed right now. Sometimes it will give you that notification that you can download the profile from app value, or you can just download it. You can download everything from the web right now. So it gave me the option to download everything from the web right now. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and look for an app right here. So I'm going to install Delta right here, and I'm going to click on install, and it's giving me a prompt of installing. So I'm going to click on install again. So right now it is installing, and note that all the application on this store are not actually signed. If you look at for an app like Loot Valley, it's not signed. It will tell that it's revoked, so you can see there. So there are some other applications that are signed, like Int is still signed, and there are a lot more applications that are signed. So all you have to do is literally check for the application that are signed on this store, so that you can be able to download it and install using this method. Uncover is signed, so you can download Uncover and all the other certificates on this device. So I'm going to go back and literally wait for Delta to finish installing on my iOS device, and we'll be able to start from there, so that you guys can pick up and also download with this method on your iOS device. So I'll be back when I finish downloading this app. And the method that I showed is currently not working on my iOS 14 device. It's not working on my iOS 14 device, so we are going to choose the other method. So the other one, I click on app value, which usually brings me to the app value on this web browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and click on install, and it's going to give me a prompt right here. I'm going to click on allow and click on close. So I'm going to go into my settings to see the certificate, and here's my app value certificate. I'm just going to install it. Let me just type in my password right here. So here it is. Now I'll click on install, and now I'm done installing app value. So what I'll do, I'll go back to the white, and you can see that app value is now back on my home screen. So I'll just go ahead and click on app value so that I can download and install some other apps. This is the method I used to download Spotify on my iOS device. So the other method didn't work. It literally brought me to the web browser, and the web browser didn't wasn't able to download it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to download WhatsApp. Okay, Delta itself. So let me click on download and click on install. So if we go back right here, I think it will start installing in a while. Within a while. Okay, there it is. You can see that Delta is now installing on my S device, and you'll be able to download it. So there are also still other apps. If you go into this web browser, as I said before, you can go and check into the web browser, I mean into App Valley, and you'll be able to see that other apps are not available, they're still revoked. So I tried the other method still. Spotify is not installing on my S device. I mean Delta is not installing on my S device. I think that it has been revoked and the certificate won't be signed very soon again. But as you can see right here, I have Spotify on my S device, Spotify plus plus. I downloaded this yesterday, so I decided to make a video. So it looked like it has been revoked for a while. So when to be back again, I'll make another video to tell you guys when to download Spotify plus plus, when to download Tweak application, and when any other app value store will be back. If you don't have app value, you can use Tutbox. I have a tutorial that I made about Tutbox where you can download and install all your application using all your Tweak application using that method. So this was a fail. It wasn't able to download. I wasn't able to unable to install Delta. So this was a fail. So if you guys really enjoyed this video and would like to know more about the Tweak application and ODS and iPhone related software, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, or Android, any software related. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it, and I'll be able to see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.